There was a girl who was very selfish. That is a self-confident person who believed that I am not attached to anyone and I do not need anyone else to succeed in life. But in fact, she was associated with peoples because she had a woman servant. And the servant do this work for the pay her children's educational fees. And a boy was driving auto used to deposit his school fees while running an auto vehicle. Then it went on like this for a few days, but this superstition of his could not last long, and in less than 2 months his superstition completely broke and she became very depressed because his leg was broken in an accident. And then a few days later his servant also refused to come to the work, and on saying the rickshawala also stopped coming to his house. And because of this, something was not understood because she did not want people to depend on her. But despite her lack of desire, she had to depend on people. Then a few days passed like this, but he had heard about a Mahatma who was very knowledgeable, who gave the reason and conclusion of people's troubles. And then the girl reached the Mahatma without delay and touched his leg and told her problems, and also said that I do not want to join anyone. I do not want to depend on anyone. Still, I have to connecting with people. Hearing this, the Mahatma smiled and said that what the girl is thinking is not possible. And because of girl being so upset, those Mahatma started telling her the reason for her reason, and they said that your answer to this question can be found by what is the cause of your problem. And because that Mahatma was very knowledgeable, because of this he can also see things that have happened in the past. Then they also told the girl what she was thinking, why is not possible, and what is the reason for her problems. And they said that there was some empty ground behind your house in which the sunlight is good every day, and because of the sunlight a lot of grass grew on that ground, and a goat used to eat that grass every day and go home in the evening. That goat is very healthy and fat due to eating green grass every day, because of which a butcher bought it from its owner and sold its meat in the market. And then that meat bought a boy and brought him to his house and cooked and ate him. And because meat is very heavy food, because of this he fell asleep very early that day. But the boy has very good female friend who used to call and talk to her at that time every day. And that day the boy did not pick up his call due to sleep, and because of his frequent call she rejected his call and switched off the mobile. Because of which the girl became very angry and her mother called her for some work. Then she vented all her anger on her mother and refused to work. And then because of this his mother was very sad, and her mother husband who was the principal of a school. And when he returned from the work in the evening, she asked his wife the reason of sadness. And after knowing the reason of his sadness, he became very angry and worried, because of which he also very worried in school the next day. And at time it was time for examination in the school, and that's with a slight mistake from a teacher in the examination, he gave the teacher very much punishment and said to be fired from the job, due to which the teacher also became very angry. And after getting angry he made very bad checks of the children examination copy, due to which about 10 children failed in that exam, 3 of whom quit their studies after failing. And the first girl among the 3 was your maths girl, and because of your maths worked with you to collect her children fees, because of this she stopped working at your house. And the other boy was among them was a rickshawala, and because he used deposit his school fees by driving a auto, he stopped driving an auto after leaving his studies. And out of those, the third boy, he was restless and was riding a motorcycle on the way. And because of this assassination, his motorcycle went and fucked with you, which broke your leg, due to which you had sit at home and your business was also closed, due to which you are very much hurt. And then because of this, you had to come to me. And because of your coming here, I answered your question. And now because of this, answer you. And will there be some changes in you? You will do something different, and if you do something different, it will affect the whole world. So you think if we are not connected with each other, then it was almost impossible to get so much. That is why if we want to live life and become successful in life, then we have to join people, because no one can do anything without belonging to anyone. Whether we have to connect with people, we have to connect with nature, whether we have to connect with creature, whether we have to connect with resources, we have to connect with someone. Because if you have the point of view, then this is all no separation among us and no way of separation from ourselves. That is why if we have to do something in life, then we should not think of doing everything alone, because there are big companies such as Google, Amazon, in that no one man can run alone. So that's why if you want to be successful in life, you learn to be successful by taking people along. This was the first story of your Science in Story book. It's Brand Sogere, why not a person, because he can die, an energy that will never destroy. So keep living guys. Thanks for watching.